To bullies, it's done. We're sick of you. We no longer have any use for you in society. So the bullying stops now. To the victims of bullying, you can see my email address. If you've got a problem, you call me. I'm going to do everything in my power to stop bullying. So bullies beware. I'm coming. Hello, my name is Don Terry. I am the president of Bully Buddies Incorporated. My journey with Bully Buddies began many years ago when I was 7 years of age, and I was bullied. I was a small child. Sticks, bats, hockey sticks, and tree branches were used to hit me on a daily basis. 1 in 4 children is bullied in their lifetime. 176,000 students this morning in North America called in sick because they're afraid. They just are too depressed to go to school because they know they're going to experience violence, both physically and psychologically, during that day. And they can't bear to go to school. 43% of students don't feel they have a reporting format. They don't feel they can go to their teachers. Their teachers are too busy and too laden with all of the other bullies, and nothing happens. No results occur. They can't go to their parents because they may still get that old philosophy, like my father. Take care of it yourself. What the parents don't understand is it's not one-on-one anymore. It's 8-on-1. We wanted to create a way for the victims of bullying to be able to report that they're being bullied. So we created a format where you can report through an app on your phone in any forum. You can type it, you can verbalize it, you can send us pictures, you can send us videos. In schools today in North America, we have dedicated counselors and or teachers, as well as law enforcement and police officers at the schools helping the victims of bullying. And what our reporting format will do is get that information directly to those individuals with each occurrence. By utilizing our app on your phone, you can now report directly to these individuals at the school that are going to bring you help. Our database will keep a file for both you and or the person that is performing the bullying, which we can then provide to the school to use to get that individual help, but most importantly, stop the bullying to the victim. Navigating through this website, you will see the face of our app, which will show up on your phone. You will see a number of distinct buttons. One, a red one, emergency. When the victim is in dire straits and needs someone to respond straight away, deploying that button will not only get the information that you're being bullied to those individuals that are dedicated at the school, but it will get it to the police. It will also have a direct communication with our call-in center. You will now have a live person answering the phone, asking how they can help, and we can begin to triage information to the responders to the victim of bullying. The next button is a buddy list. You've created a list of friends that you want to receive a message when you are in trouble. It's not an emergency situation, but you do want someone to respond to you where you are. At the push of that button, those on that list will receive 1, where you are, and 2, that they need your help. We would encourage you then, as a buddy, to either A, respond physically, go to them, text them, or phone them. Begin contact with them. It will break up the situation that they are currently in. One of the buddies that we obviously would love to see in each application would be the parents. So now you, the parents, will receive an instant notification, an instant push from your child's phone to you telling you that your child is now in a situation. The other 2 buttons are a kids help button and a suicide button. The suicide button obviously speaks for itself. If a child is in that situation and wants to talk to a professional, they will, at the deployment of that button, reach a professional. Kids help is sometimes kids just need to talk to someone. They need to just understand that they are normal no matter what they're going through. And we offer your child that ability. Tragically, we have children that are extreme high priority. And so what we at Bully Buddies have created is a backup fob. A fob that looks very similar to what you would unlock your car with. If the child's phone is in their backpack or in their pocket and they can't get to our app, the fob does. Through a Bluetooth process, pressing that fob will engage all that I've described that our application will do, including speaking directly to our call center. Another great benefit of our app is for the parent, for the school, and for the school boards. We can provide a push notification to all of those involved when different occurrences happen. School lockdown. The school can now push to your phone messages telling you what's going on. So by getting your school board involved, we can create an information process that pushes from the schools to your phones, keeping you, the parent, in the loop in any emergency situation and or non-emergency situation. Might be as simple as the school's closed from snowfall. By checking the pricing strategies within the website, you will see that we have a very cost-effective way to protect you as an individual of bullying. We also have a family plan to incorporate your entire family, having information flow back and forth and protecting each one of you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.